In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from Hostgator in just 5 minutes. Whether you're transitioning to a new service or simply wrapping up your current hosting needs, I'll guide you through this straightforward process step by step. So let's get started on making sure you can seamlessly manage your hosting subscriptions. First things first, you need to open a web browser and navigate to Hostgator's official website. It's the hub for everything Hostgator related, so you'll want to start there. On their homepage, locate the Sign In button, which is usually prominent in the header area of the site. Clicking on it will prompt you to input your login credentials. That's your email or username along with your password. Make sure you enter these carefully to easily access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Hostgator home dashboard, which is kind of like the command center for your hosting activities. Your next step is to click on Profile. This is typically found in the navigation menu. Think of your profile area as the personal section of your account where you can manage all your account settings. Now, within your profile, look for the Renewal Center. This is the section specifically for managing your subscriptions and renewals. Once you're there, you'll see a range of options related to your account renewals. To proceed, click on Renewal Center to further manage your account settings. Inside the Renewal Center is where you'll be making the significant change to your subscription status. Look for the option to Disable Auto Renew, which is the key step in ensuring Hostgator doesn't automatically renew your hosting service without your explicit consent. By clicking on Disable Auto Renew, you're effectively opting out of the automated renewal process. One thing to keep in mind is that after disabling Auto Renew, your hosting plan will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle. So there's no immediate interruption in service, but you won't be charged again once your subscription period concludes. And there you have it, you've successfully unsubscribed from Hostgator's auto renewal without any fuss. This gives you the flexibility to decide when and if you want to renew or explore other hosting options when your current plan expires. Remember, should you ever decide to use their services again, you can easily reactivate auto renew through the same renewal center. I hope this guide has helped you effortlessly manage your Hostgator account. Feel free to refer to this video whenever you need a quick refresher on the process. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching and have a great day managing your web hosting services.